Well, you're probably wondering why I've got all these office chairs here. Some of them I've picked up. I get the parts off of them to fix another chair. But the big thing I have is when somebody calls me and asks me if I have some office chair wheels. Most of the time I say I sure do. So I'm going to show you. There's 3 different chairs here. Yeah, because what happens is they have a dog or a cat, I don't know. Anyway, gets to where their chair won't roll around, not like it was when it was new. And of course you already know what the problem is. Hair gets hung up in the wheels, and in some cases it completely locks them up. So here's a real simple solution. If you're lucky enough to be driving around and find some office chairs on the side of the road that somebody's getting rid of, all you need is a common screwdriver, flat screwdriver, what do you want to call it. This wheel here, you can see it's full of hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one off, I'm going to take one of these off, I'm going to take one of them off, and each one of them is going to interchange with the other, because all these things, they interchange. All these wheels interchange with all these chairs. I mean, there's a few exceptions. Some of the smaller chairs don't interchange, but all the big ones. All right, well, let's pop these 2 off. Like I say, all you need is a screwdriver. Reach in there and they pop off that easy. Take a screwdriver in there, just push on it, comes right out. Okay, this got no hair on it. This one's got way too much hair, and that's it, just slides right in. This is a chair with all the hair on it. There, it's in there. This one here snaps in there. So it just goes to show you, driving down the road, carry a flat blade screwdriver with you, pull over, pull them off that easy, take them home, replace your wheels, and that is all there is to it.